The Cooking Matters at the Store pop-up tour is a hands-on, learner-centered course. We recognize that learners are experts in their own lives. We encourage the sharing and comparing of experiences from everyone in the group, and we create a safe environment for learners to consider changing behaviors. The hands-on approach allows participants to retain what they learn and improve self-efficacy. We use a method called facilitated dialogue in order to engage in active participation from both the learners and the educators. The role of the facilitator is to provide opportunities for learning, guide the conversation to stimulate the learner's interest, and create a motivating environment. Facilitators should be active listeners and allow participants plenty of time to share with the group. In order to best meet participants' needs, we must first assess what they already know. This allows the educator to meet the learner where they are and respect their unique life experiences. Next, the educator can introduce new concepts, skills, or attitudes through active involvement. The learner can then apply these concepts, skills, and attitudes through hands-on participation as well as through application outside of class. In order to encourage participation during your tour, be sure to use open-ended questions when talking with participants. Open-ended questions engage learners and allow them to consider what the information they are learning means to them personally. Now we will move on to the tour. The Facilitator Guide contains everything you need to lead a successful tour. On each page, you will find prompts for you to ask the participants questions and prompts for you to share information. Allow participants time to generate ideas and actively participate in the discussion. You will also see sections called Your Prop. You will utilize the props in the white envelope labeled Your Prop for those sections. Here's an example of one of the white envelopes that you will find in your toolkit. Each envelope is labeled with its contents or for the activity with which you will use it. This first envelope labeled Your Props contains laminated pictures that you will use throughout your tour. All of the other white envelopes are labeled for the activity during which you will use their contents. When you're ready to set up your tour, you can either distribute the contents of the Your Prop folder throughout your tour, or you can hold on to them and use them as you go. Once you have set up for your store tour and all of your participants have arrived, gather all of the participants at the location that will be the starting point of your tour. During this time, participants can introduce themselves and you can pass out the participant booklet. Then, you will use the first page of your facilitator guide and using the Ask, Share prompts, facilitate a conversation about healthy eating and shopping. You will also utilize your first prop, the My Plate poster. This can be found in the Your Prop folder.